you ever dreamed of owning a drone but thought they were too expensive? That's where the budget drone comes in. It's small, lightweight, and surprisingly powerful for its price. Imagine taking it out on a sunny afternoon, launching it from your backyard and watching it soar into the sky. It can capture smooth aerial shots, follow you while you're biking, or even help you record cinematic travel footage without needing a professional setup. The best part? It's affordable enough that you don't feel nervous flying it around. Whether you're a beginner or just want to experiment with aerial photography, this drone makes the experience fun, accessible, and exciting. And here's the kicker. It folds down so small you can slip it into your backpack. That means you can take it on hikes, vacations, or even just a quick trip to the park. It's freedom in your pocket, and it proves you don't need to spend thousands to enjoy the thrill of flying. Now, let's move from the sky to something much closer to home, your morning coffee. Have you ever been too lazy to stir your drink? The self-stirring mug solves that problem in the most delightful way. Picture this. You pour in your coffee, add sugar or milk, press a button, and the mug does the swirling for you. No spoons, no mess, just a perfectly blended drink every time. It's not just about convenience, it's about adding a little magic to your daily routine. Imagine showing it off to friends at the office. It's the kind of gadget that sparks conversation and makes people smile. And it's not limited to coffee. Hot chocolate, protein shakes, even soups, this mug can handle them all. It's one of those gadgets that makes you wonder why it wasn't invented sooner. Speaking of smiles, let's talk about lighting. Have you ever wished your wall could glow with personality? The wall light gadget transforms any boring wall into a stylish centerpiece. It's not just a lamp, it's mood lighting that can shift colors, create patterns, and set the vibe for your room. Hosting a party? Switch it to vibrant colors. Want a calm evening? Go for soft, warm tones. It's like giving your walls a personality upgrade. And because it's easy to install, you don't need to be an electrician to make your space look futuristic. Imagine watching a movie with the lights syncing to the action on screen. It's immersive, fun, and makes your living room feel like a mini theater. Now, here's something quirky. Hulk legs. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine slipping into giant green legs that make you look like the Incredible Hulk. It's hilarious, fun, and perfect for costume parties or just goofing around with friends. These oversized legs aren't just about cosplay, they're about unleashing your inner superhero. Picture yourself stomping around, making dramatic poses, or surprising your kids with a superhero entrance. It's silly, it's bold, and it's guaranteed to make people laugh. And let's be honest, sometimes gadgets don't need to be practical. Sometimes they just need to bring joy, and Hulk legs do exactly that. From smashing pineapples with Hulk legs to actually slicing them the smart way, let's talk about the pineapple corer. Have you ever struggled with cutting a pineapple? It's messy, sticky, and takes forever. This gadget makes it effortless. You just twist it into the fruit and out comes perfectly cored pineapple rings. No more sticky fingers, no more uneven chunks. It's quick, clean, and makes you feel like a cooking pro. Imagine serving pineapple slices at a party. Guests will think you spent ages preparing them, but really it was just a few seconds with this clever tool. And here's the bonus. It reduces waste. You get more fruit, less mess, and a presentation that looks straight out of a cooking show. Now, imagine seeing the world through a gadget that doubles as a camera. Camera glasses are exactly that. They look like regular stylish eyewear, but hidden inside is a tiny camera that records what you see. Perfect for travelers, vloggers, or anyone who wants to capture life hands-free. Imagine walking through a busy market, exploring a new city, or biking down a scenic trail, all while recording without holding a camera. It's discreet, futuristic, and makes storytelling effortless. And because they're wearable, you capture moments exactly as you experience them. No more missing the shot because your hands were full. It's like having a personal documentary crew built right into your glasses. Speaking of effortless, let's talk about relaxation. Have you ever felt sore after a workout or a long day at work? The massage roller is your portable solution. It's simple but powerful. You roll it over your muscles and it helps release tension, improve circulation, and ease soreness. Athletes swear by it, but honestly, anyone who spends hours sitting at a desk can benefit. Imagine keeping one by your couch and using it while watching TV. It's like having a MIDI spa session at home whenever you need it, and because it doesn't require batteries or charging, it's always ready to go. It's one of those gadgets that proves simplicity can be powerful. Now, let's switch gears, literally. If you've ever been stuck with a flat tire while biking, you know the frustration. The mini bicycle pump is a lifesaver. Small enough to fit in your backpack, it's always ready when you need it. Imagine riding through the countryside, your tire goes flat, and instead of panicking, you pull out this pump and fix it in minutes. It's lightweight, durable, and designed for emergencies. Every cyclist should have one. It's the difference between ending your ride early and continuing your adventure. And here's the best part. Some versions even come with pressure gauges, so you can inflate your tire to the perfect level. It's peace of mind in your pocket. Speaking of bikes, let's talk about organization. Have you ever struggled with where to put your headphones when you're not using them? The Headphone Stand is the answer. It's sleek, stylish, and keeps your desk clutter-free. Imagine walking into your workspace and seeing your headphones displayed neatly instead of tangled in wires. It's not just practical, it adds a touch of professionalism to your setup. For gamers, music lovers, or anyone working from home, it's a small gadget that makes a big difference. And because it comes in different designs, wood, metal, even LED lit, you can choose one that matches your personality. It's organization with style. Now, let's add some flair to your steps. Flash shoes are sneakers with built-in lights that glow as you walk. Imagine walking into a dark room or dancing at a party. Your shoes light up with every move. They're fun, eye-catching, and perfect for kids or adults who want to stand out. Beyond style, they also add safety for nighttime walks or runs. It's fashion meets function, and it's impossible not to smile when you see them glowing. And here's the fun twist. You can often change the colors or patterns, so your shoes match your mood. One day they're cool blue, the next they're fiery red. It's self-expression at your feet. Finally, let's wrap up with something practical for rainy days. The bike raincoat. Have you ever been caught in a downpour while cycling? Regular raincoats don't cover your legs or bike properly, but this gadget is designed specifically for cyclists. It drapes over you and your bike, keeping you dry from head to toe. Imagine riding through the rain without worrying about soaked clothes or slippery handlebars. It's freedom, comfort, and protection all in one. And because it's lightweight and foldable, you can carry it with you just in case. It's the kind of gadget that makes you wonder how you ever biked without it. So, which gadget amazed you the most? Was it the budget drone soaring above, the self-stirring mug swirling your coffee, or maybe the Hulk legs stomping around? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to Miraz Tech for more fun discoveries. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.